Another way for you to showcase your content is through Instagram Stories and Live. To begin using Instagram Stories, all you need to do is click the camera icon on your homepage on the top left of your screen. When you do, you'll be under the default option of Instagram Story. You can choose to capture an image or a short video by holding down the capture button. Hands-free mode is available if you want to record a short video without holding the button. There's also Boomerang, which is a very short video that loops back and forth. Plus, Rewind, as the name implies, is your video being played backwards. You can choose from all the options to create a creative post. Moving on to Instagram Live, this option allows you to record a live video to interact with your followers. This option is similar to Facebook Live Video, where followers can write short comments and engage with you in real time. That's how you create Instagram Stories and Live. Both are very useful for you to bridge the awareness of your content to your followers. Next, we're going to cover the final topic for Instagram, which is hashtags.